Hey guys, this is my Black Label grip. This is my 2012 Mirraco blend bike check and review here. It's got the grips, Black Label grips, Black Label forks, tires. Everything's stock on this bike. Vise seat, 3-piece crank, 25-tooth sprocket, 9-inch driver at the back, Black Label tires and rims, Vise brakes, Vise seat, mirraco blend frame. As you can see, that's a nice frame. And then the gyro, I don't know what the gyro is, but Black Label stem, 8.2 inches, 8.25 inches wide, tall, then 28 inches wide. It's a pretty nice bike overall, but I give it a 10 out of 10. And this bike is a 2012. It's a year old. Take a good look at the forks and hubs and all that stuff. So, hope you guys like this bike, because I know I do. Sorry about that, guys, but this bike goes for like $4.99 at Grand River Cycle. That's where I got my bike from. Super tight. My chain is tight on this bike. So, and here's the hub sound. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that or not. Can you guys even hear that? Yep. Alright. This is my bike check, and comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much, and peace out, YouTube.